This 2023 Forest River Salem Cruise Lite 273 QBXL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 33 feet 5 inches in length and features sleeps 11, awning, skylight, smoke detector, auxiliary battery, microwave, oven, water heater, LP detector, air conditioning, stovetop burner, and 38 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Forest River Salem Cruise Lite 273 QBXL is 6,028 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.